Hey guys, welcome back. Johnny here, and I got another exciting video for you today. We're going to be talking about Gladstone Capital, or ticker symbol GLAD. Now, this is one of my favorite companies to invest in. What other company can you get 21% return in 1 year plus an 8% dividend yield that they pay you monthly? It's 7 cents per share right now is what they pay monthly. So, I mean, even if you had 1,000 shares, you'd be making a decent amount of money. If you had $10,000 worth in here, 1,000 shares, you'd be making about, I believe, $70 a month, which is not bad at all. Just imagine if you got into real estate and you put $50,000 on a home and you want to rent it out, and by the time you pay your mortgage, your fees and everything, then you're actually maybe only profiting $60 to $100 a month in ROI, or return on your investment. Whereas with capital gains, if you times that by 5 and you have a $50,000 investment, you could be making well over $350 every single month in dividend payouts to you. So no headaches. You don't have to worry about rental people coming in and not renting or leaving or trashing your place or worrying about fixing a roof or replacing appliances. Gladstone Capital is a great REIT, or real estate investment trust, to get your hands on right now. It's affordable. It's got great gains over 5 years. It looks like it's at 31% in 5 years, with a few dips here that you can get as low as $7.50, and in the past as low as $4.87, guys. So for all of you that don't know what GLAD is, or Gladstone Capital, basically it is a business development company which invests in debt and equity securities consisting primarily of secured first and second lien term loans to lower middle market businesses. The CEO is David L. Gladstone. Headquarters is in Virginia. They founded in 2001, and they have 70 employees. Now, I've been getting a solid dividend from these guys over quite a bit of time here. 14 cents, 14 cents, 14 cents, 14 cents. I mean, as you can see, and that was only off of 2 shares, guys. So imagine if you had quite a few hundred of these shares, you could actually get a really nice monthly income from this company. Now, they do have a P ratio right now of 15, which I love. I don't like to invest in anything that has a P ratio of over about 20 to 30. That's just my personal preference. I don't really care for it. I like low PE ratios. Has an 8% dividend yield, guys, and they have been paying consistently over a long period of time. It looks like their Q4 earnings is around 21 cents per share, which is pretty great, guys. I like this company. I strongly recommend you guys getting involved with this. What other company can you invest in and get 21% appreciation in 1 year, as well as a 8% dividend yield per year? That's 29, almost 30% of your investment. If you put $100 in, you make $30. If you put $1,000 in, you make $300. You put $10,000, you make $3,000 in 1 year. So this is a great company to invest in. Start buying some shares today, and remember, guys, do your research. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You guys have a great day.